better figura. Make a good impression. Be a sharp-dressed man. In business today, people judge us immediately based on how we're dressed, before we even get to say one word. Unfair? Totally. Hi, my name's Greg Story. I run the Dale Carnegie Tokyo training office here, my own soft skills corporate training business here in Japan. Now, we can positively influence that initial judgment of us. How? Well, every day I carefully choose my clothes to determine that critical first impression people have of me based on who my schedule says I will encounter that day. What do you do? Now, know the rule to break the rule. Classic menswear conventions, number 21. Hang up your jacket when you get home to let it breathe, get the wrinkles out. If you have a problem with wrinkles, then buy a home steam kit to apply to the problem area. Today's scent was Sicilian Mandarin by Ermenegildo Zegna, 2012. Now, this day I had a breakfast networking event for the Economist Intelligence Corporate Network, EICN. It was an annual regional strategic forecast, the future of Asian markets, with Richard Kratz, Peter Wiesemer, Dan Kerrigan, and the host, EICN, Rodrigo Gonzalez, at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Midtown, Roppongi. Later, I had a second online meeting with a potential client whose lead person for training is located in Hong Kong. Now, I knew the EICN event would mean about 100 businessmen, all dressed in navy suits with a sprinkling of dark grey suits for variety. I wanted to rise above the unwashed masses, so I chose my light grey summer suit with a faint white window pane pattern from Brioni, 1945, with 3 roll-on 2 buttoning, barchetta breast pocket, single pleat, 35mm double cuffs, notched lapels, flat pockets, and I wore over the calf light grey socks. The blue shirt with French cuffs was from Abelard, 1922. The horn collar stays were from Kirby Allison, 2007. The striped tie in a 4-in-hand knot was Shantung silk, handmade in Italy, from Rampley & Co. London, 2014. Now, the cufflinks were blue, but using a piece of material in the centre. And as I recall, they came with a shirt I bought in the distant past. I thought the material in the cufflinks would be a nice nod to the slubby Shantung silk look in the tie. The dark blue pocket square in a reverse puff was from Isaiah, 1920. It made a nice contrast with the suit jacket, and the dark blue colour picked up the dark blue in the stripe of the tie. The stabiliser was from Cusca Fabrics, 1936. This combination was an experiment, and I really liked it, especially the tie, shirt, pocket square and suit jacket combination. The Shantung tie in particular added an extra level to the look. The silver corporate badge was from Dale Carnegie, 1912. The gold Rotary badge from Tokyo Rotary. The pen was my black and gold Mont Blanc in 1906. The business card holder from Longvon, 1889. The watch, my vintage gold 24mm Cartier 1847 Tank Française with a black nubuck alligator strap. The high shine shoes were TLB Mallorca, 1946. Burgundy Adelaide Oxfords Artista series with a Picasso last and punched toe cap French calf from the Denonay Tannery, 1838. Now, if you want to accelerate your proficiency in leadership, communication, sales, presentations, or DEI, do-it-yourself trial and error, waste time and resources. There's only one place operating at the highest level, and that is Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training. Learn more about us in the attachments with this video.